Welcome back to Central Valley Today. It's now time for our Medical Monday segment with board-certified medical doctor, Dr. Adam Rajul. Hello, welcome back.
Hello. How are you?
So great. So good to see you.
Good to see you.
It was just Friday when you were just here.
You know why we're bringing it back, Medical Mondays.
I know it. And today we're going to be talking about sauna therapy.
Yes, yes.
So tell me, what are the benefits of sauna therapy? And what is it actually? I guess we should start.
Yeah, so sauna therapy, I mean, technically any type of heat could substitute as sauna.
Okay.
Traditionally, when we talk about sauna therapy, it could be the infrared, infrared sauna. Most gyms offer them. I do it religiously at least 4 to 5 times a week. They already got the graph up, man. They're moving too fast for me today. They already got the graph up. What can Medical Mondays be without graphs? It just hits different when you have the graphs up there. So the way it works, because there's many benefits, it's already gone. So basically, there's something called heat shock proteins, and that's released during sauna. It can be released during any type of stress, whether it's heat, cold, infection, but these proteins are amazing. So they actually did a study in Finland where saunas are fairly common, and it was over 2,000 participants, 2,300 to be exact, and they followed them for over 20 years. And they looked at the control group. The control group was were the people who did sauna once a week, and the people that did the sauna 3 to 4 times a week had a 25% reduction in cardiac mortality.
Really?
Yeah, which is huge. And we talked about before, the #1 killer is cardiovascular disease, cardiac mortality, and it reduced it by 25%. The patients that went there 4 to 5 times a week had a 52% reduction in cardiac mortality.
And is this just from going in the sauna, like not after a workout or anything?
Yeah, just the sauna alone.
Oh, wow.
Just the sauna alone, yeah. And they also found that the people that did 20 minutes versus 10 minutes had double the effect of reducing cardiac mortality. And the way it works, these chaperone proteins, well, they're called chaperone proteins because they help proteins fold. As we get old, a lot of our proteins get damaged. They're not folding correctly. So what these chaperone proteins do is they help these proteins fold, so the ones that are damaged, they basically recycle them. And also they do the same thing with your immunity cells, so these patients also have better immune response.
Wow.
And then finally, it also helps increase insulin sensitivity. So we talked about insulin resistance leading to cardiovascular disease, and this also helps with insulin resistance as well. So like through 3 or 4 different mechanisms, just doing sauna just a few times a week will reduce your cardiac risk, which is huge. I do it for my mental health. When we all have stress. When I do the sauna, it clears my head.
Yeah.
I feel like a new man every time.
Do you do it after a workout?
I do it after my workout.
Yeah.
Some people like doing it before. I say as long as you're doing it, it doesn't matter if you do it before or after. I prefer after because it does help with muscle recovery, and I noticed my recovery is a lot better since introduced sauna. I've only been doing it for a year, but
really?
I wish I did it sooner.
And how long are we supposed to stay in there?
I would say start off slow. So when I first started doing it, maybe like a few minutes. I upped it to 5 to 10 minutes. Now I can do up to half an hour.
Okay.
But I would just gradually start slow, just like anything. Just like if you're dieting, you're introducing a new modality to your health. You always want to start slow and then just kind of build your way up.
That's a good thing. Yeah. And then, are there any places around town that where we can get access to a sauna? Yeah,
most gyms have them. I work out at my buddy's gym, JB Fitness. I better get a discount, bro. Yeah, he offers it at his gym. There's different clinics. Dr. Batista is a friend of mine. He offers it as well. But yeah, I mean, and like I say, it's free, right? Because the sun's free. So worst case scenario, you don't have access to one. You can't go to a gym. Work out in the sun.
Okay, yeah, that will work just as good, right?
You're still getting the heat.
Especially in Fresno.
yeah, plenty of sun in Fresno, that's right.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much,
Dr.
Adam.
Yeah,
we'll
always
see
a pleasure. Thank you.
Next Monday, I think. Yeah.
We'll be back.
Awesome.
All right.